I'm Heather with WTI. I need you to feel my amazing Dearfoam slippers. These are by Fireside. Check out the amazing warmth. Can you imagine the comfort? Because I love these so much. They're cute to look at, yes, but also water resistant with a tread. I wear them every day, all day when I'm at home, and even sometimes jump into the car to go get the kids with them still on. These are amazing. Don't let a little wear fool ya. They're excellent and they last forever. The size is dead on. These fit me perfectly according to the size guide. It's a beautiful moccasin slipper, so very warm, moisture wicking and temperature regulating, amazing goodness, so very soft and warm.
I was totally influenced. I saw someone had a pair of these. They looked so warm. And then when I saw they had this print, I was sold. I had to have them.
I think every man, woman, and child needs a pair of these. They're fantastic. Best slippers I've ever had, hands down. That's my point of view.